GM Solana Mainlets, Burger Bob here, coming to you not with an update of Blessed Burgers, but coming to you with an unboxing of the Saga phone. LFG, the infinite money glitch, insane stuff. So let's do the damn thing and open it up. Whoa, it even has the Solana logo on the packaging. Pretty sick. Alright, where do I start? Okay, this was inspired by the one and only Bangers, by the way. Shout out to her. Oh my god, how do I even do this shit? Technical difficulties. Alright, here we go. And let's get the ASMR. Shit. Yeah, LFG. All right. Woo! I didn't drop the phone. There's no phone dropping in this one because I handle things with care. Everything I touch. Whoa! Okay. Damn. This is a dense phone. It really, just screams quality. Sheesh. Look at that. Look at the packaging. So pristine. Damn. This is a nice phone, man. Alright. Let's peel this off. The Solana logo. Okay. Okay, Saga. I see what you're doing. Alright, that's about it. Let's see what else is in the packaging. Okay, we have the Saga branded manual thingy here. And there's also the cable. Everybody loves to see the cable, am I right? Maybe not, but at least I am. Also has some kind of like design pattern on it. Pretty sick. Nice. And now for the climax, let me put this into the microwave. This is a nice phone, man.